Hello guys, so I'm here again with an exciting video on data structures, and the task or objective for today's video is that we have to extract let me go through the question only, that we have to open the file mbox.txt. This time the name of the file is mbox.txt. I'm here again with and we have to read it line by line on data structures. And when you find a line today's video is starts with extract from the words like the following line and from the list of like this, let me show you the file alphabetically. So this is the data of the file that we have to extract briefly, parse, and so the task of today is that we have to open the file these lines from txt and read it line by line. See, and for each line we have to like this split the line into a list of words using the command parse these lines method. And the program will pass a list of words from line using each word on. We will use each line inbuilt function split to see if the word is already in the list word in the line. If not, that means we have to append it to the list. Entire address of the person who sent when the program completes, then we have to sort and print the resulting words in alphabetical order. Then we have to print this. So after watching this video, you will be able to know the function of and all split, append, and then print out the count of at the let's begin this video. We have to count the number of the senders. Ask the user the number of the persons who send name of the those messages, and we will store that total number. And in file name, let's begin the program without wasting our time. And as usual, we will ask for the name of the file and name. So now our next step is that we have to open that file and store it in another variable that we have taken fh, and then we will open the file and we will store that in the variable now fh. As we have to for opening the file, we have the list of the words, so we will create a variable of type list, open and list. This is the notation name of the file to create the list, and we will take one variable also. Now we will count the loop. Initially we will store 0 for counting the number of the persons, total number of the person. Check now each and every word the loop in the file, and for iterating to the for each line in the file. Now what we have to do, for we will read the file. So the in reading the file, and we will check command for reading the file in the fetch dot, and as we have stored the file in fh variable line equal to line dot fh dot read rstrip. Now we will read the file, and in our previous video I told you that in the function of the line only I will split the file. Rstrip is to remove the trailing character. Apply the command that is spaces. So by default there are spaces. And for making this clear, let me show you the result before applying this function. We are reading the file, applying this function, splitting that file, changes, and we are iterating through that file in our output. And now so we will check and give the if command. So if the name of the file is this and not in list, oh, it's taking some time. See, after every line you will see a space. We will append. By the function of the append variable is that it adds an item this is to the end of the list space. So after applying this function you will see an item. If that word is already stored in the list, then we will not change is removing this file and not stored in the list, then we will append that good word in the list. Looking that will form print the list with easy to handles. What we have to print. So that is now it's now we formed our list and according to the program we have to sort out this list alphabetically, and the command for sorting the list is sort. So now as you can see those white spaces are removed from it. So this is the name, print the list. This is the working of this function, and let me show you what is our next step. Let's check the code. And our next step will be file is to split these lines, and we have to form the list of those words. So for forming the list of the words, we have a command the words from the file, and we will apply the command. Our output line is matched with the design dot, so the program is correct, and this will form the accomplish the list of the words. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please subscribe and like it, and have a great day. The result of this also, this will be good and more understanding, and so you will see these we have all formed the list of the words of every line from these are the elements of the list. So this is the particular function of this inbuilt function split. And now we will go to another line on the program, and now what we will do, as we have all the lines in the form of list, now we will extract or parse the line which we are interested in. So for searching that line without using the inbuilt function from, we'll give a if command. If len of bird, is greater than 3, means for avoiding lines which are small, means which are of no use. And another command, or word of 0 not equal to, means if the line is not starting from the word from, then we are not interested in those lines. So we will continue because we are not interested in these lines. And in else we will print, else we'll count the lines which are starting from the word from. And we will store that first of all we increment the count by 1. And now I will print that line, and in that line we have to print the first element, with the index position first. So on index position first we have the name of the sender, so we will print words first element, means second element of the word that will be on the index 1. So 1, we will get word of 1. And print command. Now finally we also have to print the count of the at the end, है ना, as we are to asked in the program. So the command will be, and so let's check our code. And the name of the file, there is some error, index out of range on line 10, and should be less than, okay, I forgot, okay, this should be less than, because as in told the length of the word should be less than, by mistake I have applied the symbol of greater than. So now let's check. As you can see, we have extracted all the names of the files over here and counted the number of those persons, mean number of persons, that is 27. And no, we have also counted the number of lines which are starting from the word from. 27 lines are there. So this is all about the program, and I hope you liked the program and enjoyed it. And if you like the video, then please subscribe and like, and have a great day. Thank you for watching this. Savannah.